If you're over 40 or over 50, the first thing you need to start with when you're applying your makeup is makeup primer. Do not forget this step. Hey, I'm Dawn from Just Doing My Best. I am so glad that you're here today. If you're new here, welcome in. If you've been here before, I'm so glad that you're back. I'm here every week with a brand new video for women over 40 and women over 50 who just want to look and feel their very best. I'm going to create a really easy, natural makeup look that you can do any day of the week, just that fast. But I'm also going to give you a couple of bonuses. So if you want to take that same look and just amp it up a little bit, basically it will take you an extra minute to amp it up a little bit. So let's jump right in. I've already applied makeup primer. If you're not using makeup primer, if you're over 40, if you're over 50, you absolutely need to. I'm going to link a video below where I talk about makeup primer and foundation, why you need them, what order you should use them. This one is fantastic. It is under $10, I think. I love this one. One tube will last you a couple of months, and I apply it all over my eyes, under my eyes, the whole thing. Next thing is foundation. This is a really great one that I'm loving for summer. This is the IT Cosmetics CC Plus Nude Glow. It's a light to medium coverage and it's an SPF of 40. I will link a video where I talk about that. Next step, concealer. I've already applied concealer and I just created a brand new concealer video, how to get a better concealer application, and I'm gonna link it down below. But I wanna bring you up to speed. So, primer is on, foundation is on, concealer is on. Now let's create a really pretty, easy, natural summer makeup look. I am not going to apply eyeshadow. I don't apply eyeshadow most days, but especially in the summer. If I want to create a really easy makeup look and I want it to look a little bit more natural, that's the first thing that I skip. In order to give myself some color, what I want is a summer sun-kissed look. So I'm only going to use two things. My bronzer from Tarte and my blush from Milani, and I'm going to put them on the same brush. So I'm going to put a little bit of bronzer on my brush and a little bit of blush on my brush, and then just tap it in. And I'm doing more tapping than brushing so that I'm not brushing off all of the makeup that I already put on. So I'm tapping more than I'm brushing. And I want it on my nose so that it definitely looks sun-kissed. And then I'm also going to put it on my forehead and above my eyes to give myself a little bit more color. And if my skin is going to look sun-kissed, then the bulk of the color needs to be in the middle. So I'm really going to focus on the middle of my forehead, over my eyes, on the bridge of my nose, and right below my eyes, right in the middle. You always want your blush up a little bit anyway, especially if you're over 40, you're over 50. I've talked about this before. Our face is kind of falling a little bit, and so you want your blush up a little bit closer to your eye anyway to really brighten your face and bring color to your face. But now we're talking about the sun kissing our skin and giving us a little bit of color, so that's where I really want to concentrate, is right below my eye, on the tip of my nose, and on my forehead, maybe a little on my chin, where the sun is naturally going to hit my face and give me a little bit of color. If you're on vacation and you want a super simple, natural makeup look, and you want to stop right here and add mascara, you could be out the door. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to add an easy eyeliner look and then apply mascara. I'll show it to you, and then I've got two bonuses for you. If you want a simple summer makeup application that looks really natural, you could stop right there by just adding the blush and the bronzer together for a sun-kissed look, throw on mascara and lip gloss, and be out the door. The only thing I did at this point was add a little bit of eyeliner. In this video here, I show this eyeliner application a little bit more in detail. In a nutshell, it's this mauve color, top and bottom, topped with this brown color. The reason I did that is because it gives my eyes a little bit of definition without being too much. Where if I were to add a black eyeliner or a dark brown eyeliner, it will look like I spent a lot more time. I just want to add a little bit more definition underneath the mascara and be done. You could stop right here also if you wanted to, but I'm going to give you two bonuses. Maybe you're on a cruise. Maybe you want this super summer natural makeup look, but it's that nice dinner night and you just want to amp it up just a little bit. These two bonuses, super simple to do, take you no time at all. Okay, like I said, I could stop right here, but here's my first bonus. I've already got that sun-kissed look. I just want to define my features just a little bit. I'm going to take that same bronzer and my contour brush and just define my cheekbone or my chin just a little bit. Since again, my features are falling, I just want to give myself a little bit of definition, and I can also go down the side of my nose, just ever so slightly. Just to define my features just a little bit. Okay, this next bonus is in case you're enjoying summer or your vacation just a little too much. Maybe the night before you stayed up a little too late, take a highlighter. I like a vanilla colored highlighter. I don't like bright white highlighters. This vanilla colored highlighter from Laura Geller and a small, kind of a fluffy brush, but a small brush right on the inner corner of your eyes. Just gives you that look like you got about 2 or 3 extra hours of sleep. That is one of my favorite bonuses ever. I hope you enjoyed this easy summer makeup look. It's natural, it's perfect for vacation, will take you no time at all, and I gave you some bonuses. Do not forget to set your makeup with your setting spray. That will help your makeup stay on and look beautiful all day long. Take my word for it. You will love this. I will link all of the products that I use down in the description below. If you enjoyed this, be sure to like this video and subscribe and come over and find me on Facebook or Instagram at Just Doing My Best. Go out today and be blessed and do your best.